Helen Dixon, our 50-year-old, gave us a party and dance we were told. All take a cake and eat curry for tea. Wine and champagne, it all sounds good to me. Running at 6 a.m. that time of day, we'd all be sleeping and dreaming away. There comes our Helen, she runs up and down, keeps really healthy, the fittest in town. When he's worried, when he's bored, when Molly's really mad, they all look at Helen and Helen looks back, and then they don't feel so bad. This is the year she gets new body parts, not all the obvious, she's way too smart. Got herself fitted a new pair of eyes, sees very well now, much to her delight. All Helen's friends benefit from her skills, she has lots of things and never sits still. We all agree and come jolly along, a take-away party or some sort of song. When he's worried, when he's bored, when Molly's really mad, they all look at Helen and Helen looks back, and then they don't feel so bad. When you are 50, the problems begin. Wetting your knickers is not a big sin. Forgetting appointments and somebody's name, these are most common, it's not a big shame. There is something we need to say all together. Happy birthday, Helen! It's such a big pleasure to be in your company at this big fest. Helen, at 50, you're truly the best.